We're at the Elbert County Fairgrounds, Elbert County, Colorado. There's a workshop going on, the Fancy Feathers, whatever it's called. And
Feathered Fanciers.
Feathered Fanciers. Hey, I have the words right. Anyhow, so we got this. So Klaus has brought Curiosity. She's not actually the best bird for show right now, because if you look at her back, you can tell that the rooster's been courting her real well, as we would say. But she is very good temperamental, good to ride in the car with, and very nice, very easy to handle, very cooperative. But like I said, just for the looks on, this is more of a learning workshop today that they have going on. So we'll be going through some lessons today, some advice from some of the judges and other people. And as you can see, there's a bunch of birds. A lot of people from all sorts of different counties are here. It says more of a workshop, but there is a little competition going on. So we'll see how much Klaus knows at the end of this.
Yeah, and they messed up on the last name. Is Olivia here that showed a Buckeye? 6-year-old Olivia? Yay! Yay! How about Coraline Gray Reno? Reserve champion Kiwi. Good job, did you bring in? You're welcome. And our great grand champion Pee-wee, Allison Risky. Congratulations.
Is he playing Hail to the Chief?
But we're going to start off with 5th place in the junior class. We have Katrina Retzig. 5th place. 4th place is Tucker Crawford. How many times have you done showmanship?
This is actually my first time.
First time. Good job for you. Good job. 3rd place is Abby Tragorth. Were you holding your mouth?
Yeah.
How many times have you done showmanship? 0? First time? Congratulations. Reserve champion junior showmanship, Lorelei Brammer. Right? Just one time before?
Yeah, just sometime.
Okay, good job. And our grand champion junior poultry showmanship is Quinn Parker. She had the lead? Well, I get to keep the money back. You guys that. Tell her congratulations from us. Chloe Tanner. Fourth place, Leighton Sutton. Third place, Logan Good. Come on, get down here. There you go. I think Mom's taking a picture. Reserve champion, intermediate showmanship, Gwen Gray Reno. Help you down? Your mom has her camera out too, so you're going to have to get your picture taken. Did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Oh, some of the writing is small. Grand champion, intermediate poultry showmanship is Maddie Candela. Now you look more like an intermediate to me. Congratulations. Chip, Klaus Dodd. Okay. Third place, Jeffrey Lawson. Reserve champion, Caitlin Good. You seem happy. Good job. And grand champion, Garrett Hall. The rest of
But let's start with the 5th place bird, not out here, and that's going to be the Dutch Bantam Cockerel. Who had the Dutch Bantam Cockerel? Right here. Right there. So Johnny's coming back. He's running. I see him. He's right there.
Ribbon
So
girl.
I do want to. I want to talk about the Dutch Bantam Cockerel. 5th place, yes. Nice strong beak. Nice. I made notes because I had time. It was wonderful. I never get to have notes, and I have to memorize it. And then I'm always terrified I'm going to forget some good point that I want the kids to know about the birds. Nice single comb on it. I like his tail. I'd like to fix his tail feathers a little bit. He has good wing carriage. I'd like to tighten up those earlobes because they were really saggy, and it's hot today, so that's a lot to do with it. And I'd like to see him show a little bit better, meaning like the way he carried his tail and stand a little bit more proud consistently. And then the 4th place bird is going to be, also not out here, is going to be the Blue Americana. Okay, nice pea comb, nice broad head. I'd like to see the tail carried a lot better and more full in the beard and the muffs. It has a nice dark horn beak. Really nice color on the legs. And the color is a nice bluish slate on that bird that has that fine lacing black on those feathers. So good job. So that'll get us up to the top three, which are all here in no particular order. So I'll talk about the third place bird, which is actually going to be your Sicilian buttercup right here. A nice tough.
I'm sorry, it was very hot. The camera overheated at this point and it just simply refused to turn on. So this is our third place bird, a Sicilian buttercup. Our first place bird is a silky, and I just could not get a picture of the second place bird because, again, I apologize that and there's the silky. The camera just gave up the ghost. It was just too hot. It was over 90, and in that barn it was even hotter. So thank you for watching the show.
There's a boatload for both of these. Alrighty, time to expand your homes. Give you another addition.
Okay, why is the center hive offset, Hal?
One, because it helps the bees coordinate to their own hive. You keep both of them. That's slightly straight. This one's this way. That one that is that way. So it helps them go to their own hive, less drift that way.
Now, just to help our viewers out, because I didn't know how it was
That's what I
moving.
figured you were asking for.
Yep, how wasn't.
Oh, this is the one's going to need that new inner cover. Well, not new.
He forgot to tell me when he was putting the bees from the nuke into the hive, so they made it over there by magic. And
look at that. See, we've got, this is the new one we bought, the new Saskatraz. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus some building there. I think it's about time. I think we can put the inner on, or the box on.
so what kind of a box are we putting on?
Put this one on for them, since they are still newer. We'll give them the one that's got the most of the built comb already.
This is called a honey super or medium. And
It's kind of warped, but I think it'll live.
bless you.
Excuse me.
So that
I'm allergic
screen
to bees. Ow.
is called a queen excluder. It prevents the queen from crawling up and laying eggs in where the honey is.
Yeah, now what you gonna do? You'll figure it out.
Because sometimes she will do that, and then you end up with larvae in your honey, which isn't really good, and then you're killing your bees.
Huh? Yeah, I should have went behind, but
You weren't in front too long.
they weren't aiming for my crotch, so.
Yet.
Oh, look at this up top here.
What?
On here. Some honeycomb.
Ooh.
Got some honey going. Okay, girls.
I guess they wanted to go up.
Recycle. Time to recycle. You know the drill. Don't act like this is new. Ladies will figure this out. These have the separators in it to keep these at equal distance. That's good.
Why is that important?
Because if they're too far apart from each other, they build out too far, and when you're trying to cut through there, you're going to cut more of the. Yeah, it's a lot harder to cut. You cut more of the stuff.
More of the comb than you want to.
Comb. Thank you. Big words. And then I'll put this.
It's been a very long day, hot day, so, you know, big words elude us at this hour.
Well, it always does for me. Okay, got that on. Once I crank this down, that's going to seal that up there because it's kind of warped, that inner cover. We need to get
Is that the one with the hole in it?
No, that one is.
Okay.
That's the one without the frames on. So this one will be fine.
There's that one.
Get this hooked up.
Okay, so let me.
Notice how they've actually been mellow to me. So.
If you notice, there's a hole on the front of this one. I found out that that was so that the bees could go straight into the honey super instead of crawling through the deeps. So it's supposed to help them save time. And they have little gates that you can put on them so you can have air holes. You can have it wide open or you can close it in the wintertime or during a storm or something.
Dang it. I'm sweating my eyeballs now.
Next time we'll get you like a headband. That's good.
See how that's looking here, a little more down. Said just because it's a warped lid.
Yeah.
Warped inner cover.
It'll straighten out. And I'm probably standing in the traffic to these girls here, so I'm going to move off to the side.
Hi, ladies. Hi. Oh, there's a squish. There's a harpy. Wait a minute. Got what I did. Uh-oh. Dead one there. You dead girls? Clean this up. Their propolis. I just want to clean the dead bees off. You can keep the propolis on. See, that lid we put on had notches on each end. This has notch on one.
Okay.
And actually I should set this down to where it cools out in the hive more.
Yeah.
It was upside down before, so. And you don't know what to make of this, do you? Huh. You're like, wait a minute. Yeah, I know. You're not really ticked at me, are you?
Not yet. Give her
Okay,
time.
Look here. Good frames, we got bees going, some there. 1, 2. Ooh, this one's offset too, darn it.
That is.
It's not even like I was wanting these.
I don't know if there's spacers on there.
Huh?
I don't know, are there spacers?
Well, no, you don't have it on
Oh,
the
that's
deeps.
right, because that's the
These are
deep.
deeps.
Then forget I said
I think that's
anything.
some paper from before.
Probably from one of the
Yep,
winter patties.
correct. What's left of it, but I'll help them clean their house a little. And then there's a bunch here. They're filling this. These girls are ready.
Yeah.
They're ready for a new addition to the house.
If it were this easy with our house. Don't forget the queen excluder.
Oh, shoot. That's what I've got. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. That was a drone. Did you see that?
No.
Big fat one. Either that or Queen's really been chowing down.
Check those bottom boxes. Make sure they're set square.
Well, they look square.
Okay. This one corner kind of looked iffy.
Actually, get that old comb just off of this. Don't need to be putting comb in here.
And these
Our
are...
defense, this wasn't from our bees.
No. They'll clean it.
No, they were building stuff in here, so that's why I'm scraping some of this out just for my personal house cleaning. Okay. While I've got this open, I'm going to check a couple. See, they're getting out to the outer ones, but it's full of bees, so they'll get it. Oh yeah, look at the honey on the, well, that's the old honey. They were finished building the comb on these, that's what they got to finish doing. I'll go randomly into here. Huh. They're not doing as much as I thought by now. But I'm still putting the other on since it's full of bees on everything.
How heavy is that? Well, you probably can't tell. It's probably glued. It's glued.
Well, I can unglue it. Oh. Ah. Oh no, now you're getting mad? Oh. You're not too mad yet. You still love me, ladies. Come on. Holy cow.
Well, don't worry about it, Hal.
Nope. I started this. By gosh, by golly. Oh, jeez. I know what they did.
Bridge comb
Uh-huh.
between the two boxes.
Oh, shit. Now they're going to be mad. See the open larva?
Yep. Those are usually drone cells.
Now they're not going to be happy at all. Dead ones there. See, there's some of the larvae. Sorry, girls. I'm tossing those out totally, though. A lot of comb in there. A lot of brood, I should say.
Hopefully they weren't queen cells. Queen cups. Queen
Hopefully
cups
not.
usually are on the bottom because they're so huge. Drone cells are usually on the bottom because they're bigger. Yeah, they're not happy.
What gave you that idea?
The way they're buzzing me.
Okay. They're not really attacking though yet.
Not yet.
We're going to have very few stings. We don't need to smoke, so. Now they're getting a little upset as I scrape some of this away.
Yeah, well, put it back.
No.
No, put the...
I'm cleaning it up for them. Yeah, uh-oh. Yep. You're not happy. Oh, shit. I put it diagonally a bit, then rotate around, kill less bees that way. Gives them a slight chance. Uh-oh, how'd you get there? Uh-huh, yeah, okay, I hear ya. Took the warning. Since you ladies were like that and I did that to you, I will be leaving shortly here. And I'll give you a new addition to the house. How's that? My way of doing penance. How's that? Okay? I think that's what they call it in some religions.
I think they stopped headbutting me for now.
Not me.
Well, you're the one in the hive. Nope. I take that back.
Oh yes, I know. That's why I wore the top, just in case something like that happened. And I ticked you girls off. It's only temporary. Because you love me.
Yeah, I know. The last batch told you could get in my hood. That's why I'm holding my hand here, so you can't.
What?
Because I had 3 of them flying around in here earlier. Last year.
Everything evened up here.
Looks like it.
Got that gap there, but that's the excluder, so.
They will.
I'll leave the brick there for now.
Okay. Got the hive
some
tool?
Water out for them. Yeah, and then you look under, there's a big chunk.
Okay, Hal's out here because there's a swarm over by these bee boxes that we put here earlier this year.
Only got 3 frames right now. 3 will work.
Well, there's 7 deep boxes sitting right
Yeah,
there.
well, I gotta wait till all the bees are in first. Kind of see my problem there?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm staying back because I'm not dressed. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt.
Oh, they're not gonna do anything to you.
I don't know, something's tickling
I'm
my
just
legs.
putting this on because I'm kind of like up close, and if I gotta handle stuff, I'll need gloves. Catching swarms are usually pretty mellow.
Yes, but I don't want them caught in my hair either.
Put something on. Put the veil. I could have brought that up.
A little late for that, but okay.
Uh-huh.
I see them.
Got a mole hole again. Some more.
Yeah, now the horses are gone. They'll move in.
Uh-huh. Whee. All right, ladies, how's it going? Nice new house, single level, ranch style.
There might be another deep in the basement if you want me to pull a couple more frames. But
Oh, there is, but you see that?
yeah, I see it.
Suddenly came out toward you. Ooh,
I wonder if they're trying to set up a colony in that box.
they might. Oh.
Why don't we just keep the box and not put them in there?
Well, I don't know. I gotta find out. I gotta move this.
Okay.
Stuff.
I'm gonna move over here into the shade. I'm getting burned. Oh, that's better. I'm all for taking pictures for you guys. I'm not for getting burned while doing it.
Okay. No, don't go in there.
Oh. They could.
Squished a couple.
They could go in there, and then we just keep that.
That's a honey super.
I know.
But I just don't want to.
All right. Sorry, guys. I moved the camera. Got itchy legs. Something's crawling on me fierce. I might be standing near an anthill. You need like a bee brush that you can brush them in there. Is there a queen? Do you know? Can you tell?
Okay, come on. Out. Up there. Leave my crotch alone. Hopefully I got the queen in there, but I really don't know.
I thought something was on my hand.
Let's see. Huh?
Nothing. I'm moving the camera around because I keep getting tickled by something. Not a bee, just something annoying.
Okay. Get in there. All right. Oh yeah, fine.
We can leave that here.
I know, that's the plan.
Let me
But
go.
I can get more of these bees in the box.
Let me go get some lemongrass,
We've
and
got too many bees.
and we put that in that box.
Okay, go ahead. Go get some.
All right. Okay, the cotton ball has lemongrass on it. This comb, it's drawn comb. It's empty, but it's drawn comb. The smell of the honeycomb and the lemongrass will attract any bees to it. I'll just leave this in the shed for the next, oh no, day or two. I was trying not to get it on my hands. That didn't work very well. I'll let the lemongrass blow away. Hopefully I didn't put too much. But they like lemongrass. A lot of times you can put it in water to attract them to a water source. And if we put that in there, the bees in theory should, between the drawn comb, which they're attracted to, and the lemongrass, which they'll like, we should have bees in there. And we can just leave this swarm box here for the next, actually 2 or 3 days. Make sure all the bees are happy and going in.
Stay.
Whatever side is open, you might make sure that's pointed to the outside of the shed.
This is the side that's open.
Okay.
There you go. Go in, and now tell all your friends.
Well, we'll wait till tonight. We don't have to sit here and baby it. Maybe they'll go in now.
Sitting here, baby's not gonna do anything. Just check, see what they're doing while he's waiting on you.
Yep.
See, another little pod going there, but hopefully they'll all eventually migrate up.
Yeah, hopefully. With all the scents in there, they probably will. If there's a queen in there, they'll follow her.
Yes, that's what I'm hoping. There is a queen in there.
All right, I'm going.
Right now, they're staying there, or some going back. They still got her pheromones on there.
Yep. Okay, so the bees have all gone into the nuke. Everybody looks happy. We'll have to find out how well they do. And thank you for watching, everybody. Make sure to hit like and subscribe so you can see more videos as they come out. And yeah, well, everybody stay cool because it's turning out to be a very hot summer. Thank you for watching.